Exactly. Cat. Another cat.
Another cat.
Right. Everybody made it up quickly.
Might be feral cat.
The big green building on your left, well, that's the train roundhouse. That's where the trains
cat.
are repaired and where they sleep
Everywhere.
at night.
It's like a zoo of cats. Like that one.
The Brackenridge Park Forest. I like everyone to look real close and see if you can see any rabbits or squirrels. Maybe a deer, but hopefully no bears.
No bears.
Many years ago, when the Native American Indians walked through these woods, they brought with them an inagua tree, or the sandpaper tree, known by its rough textured leaves. The Indians liked that tree because of its red berries. They'd use the red berries to smoke their meat. Now that tree's not found naturally in this forest. The Indians planted it. It grew and had little seedlings, and they grew and had little seedlings, and now you can find that type of tree all the way north to San Marcos. On your right-hand side, as you can see, well, the city's been pretty busy cutting away some of the scrub trees located here in the forest, and that's because of the bad drought we had during the summer. It caused the forest to be very, very dry, so the city's cutting away some of the underbrush to help prevent a forest fire.
That would be the city of San Antonio, home of the world champion San Antonio Spurs. And Eva Longoria. Is the Brackenridge Golf Course. Built in 1915, it's San Antonio's oldest public golf course, and it's about the second oldest public golf course in the state of Texas. It was at this location back in the 1950s and 1960s that the Texas Open golf tournaments were held.
Antonio River again. I'd like everyone to look real carefully. See if you can see any fish. Maybe one or two turtles.
And I see another train over there.
Oh, there's a train way over there. Yep.
I don't think the camera can see it.
On your right, what is now a driving range, used to be the old Polo fields. And on Sunday afternoon, everyone would enjoy an exciting game of polo. Now the sportsmen gave up on their horses, but they did keep their clubs to continue to hit a little white ball. Big open field on your left. Now there you see riding stables. We enjoy a nice horseback ride through the park. But the horses grew old and retired, and so did the stable.
Smaller.
Up ahead and to your left, that's an old limestone quarry. Rumor has it that limestone from the area was used to build the Alamo. In 1873, a San Antonio druggist studied the rock and found that they were the perfect combination of limestone and clay to make cement. He gathered a few investors together, and they formed the Alamo Portland Cement Company. That was the first cement company west of the Mississippi. They were here at this location until 1908, when they moved to Cementville, which today is a quarry market located just north on Highway 281. Not knowing what to do with the abandoned site, well, the city hired an architect who brought over some Japanese designers to design a tea garden. One of those designers, Mr. Jing Chu, well, he and his family lived in one of the stone houses and took care of the garden until 1941. That was the year that the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, and at that time, the city evicted the family. They moved to California, and the city changed the name to the Chinese Tea Garden. It wasn't until 1988 that the city changed the name back to the Japanese Tea Garden. We're going to make a short stop right here at the Garden Depot, just in case anyone would like to visit. Once again, please save your train tickets, as you can catch another train between now and about 5 o'clock tonight.
Let's run back to the flight band.
All aboard! The Great Plains of Brackenridge, now on your right-hand side at the driving range, they offer a program called the First Tee. Well, that's a free program for youngsters and teenagers on how to play the game of golf. And while they're learning how to play, they also experience other important life lessons. One of the life lessons that I'm learning is